Welcome to the channel. We have a special play to earn game to talk about today. It is called SolChicks. SolChick is one of the best play to earn crypto games with an exceptional player to player gaming. But before we start, I want to mention that I am not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is SolChicks.io. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below so you can go and check it out from there. This is one of the best play to earn crypto fantasy games on the Solana blockchain. Now, this is an extremely amazing play to earn games, and the chicks are absolutely so amazing. And the chicks are so cute. You can buy the chicks now on Buy Radium, buy on Gate.io. You can stake them and you can have it on live chart as well. The gameplay is very interesting. The way they have developed it, the methodology they have implemented, and obviously the strategy by which they're taking this forward is very good. They have actually implemented a methodology in which that you can actually spend time, and the more you spend playing this game, the better your skill level is going to get, and your skill level will in turn actually help you to earn more. They're available on Twitter, they're available on Telegram, and they are on Discord as well. Guys, I always mention this every time I do a video review that you gotta join their Discord, because the Discord is the place that you will get reliable information. And you can check the YouTube link out for these amazing videos, or you can go to the website directly, SolChicks.io. Now, you can buy and sell SolChicks with the community. You can create collections and earn rewards. You can breed adorable SolChicks to earn rare traits, and you can play games in the SolChick universe. Now, what is SolChick, you might ask? This is one of the best play to earn crypto games with an exceptional player versus player gaming. Their mission is simple: to be the leading fantasy NFT player versus player and play to earn crypto games on the ecosystem on the Solana blockchain. They've built their blockchain on the game around adorable SolChick NFT collections, where a player will use their SolChicks as their characters in a unique gaming metaverse, and they believe with the right team and passion, they can revolutionize the industries. Now, the first impression that you get about these NFTs is very interesting. The way and artistically they've developed it, and the cuteness that they've brought, and obviously this NFT in itself is going to have a lot of potential. So the NFT is going to help you earn. At the same time, the price of the NFT is going to go massively high. This player versus player gameplay, as you can see, is very interesting with the raid gameplay as well. So you're using the NFT, you're using these SolChicks to actually play in the game and earn by using it. And why are the SolChicks unmatched cryptocurrency blockchain game? Because each SolChick is uniquely created and carefully designed by a highly experienced artist by overlaying various pre-designed attributes on the base of the SolChick character, with a fully integrated metaverse crypto game with exciting features. And players are gonna get paid to play in this new disruptive model of gaming, where they will reward players for the time and commitment to the cryptocurrency game. And the SolChick is a play to earn crypto player versus player game with 100+ person team with a deep resources and proven record. SolChick is a run by fully integrated team with a long-term vision, and the core team members have built successful blockchain projects and have experience in leading blue chip consulting and finance institutions, which I will show you in a second. The team behind this absolutely brilliant game, and they have extensive partnerships with leading marketing blockchain institutions, ensuring broad scale and seamless experiences. Now, the partnerships that they've done is absolutely brilliant. They're on the Solana blockchain. We're talking about Slope, we're talking about 8Pay, we're talking about SolShop, we're talking about JoinDesk, we're talking about the Solana Eco Fund. These are some of the biggest names in the industries that they have partnership up with, and there are obviously one of the reasons they're going so big, because they have the strategy, they have the contacts, and they have the development done in the right way. And owners can earn from SolChicks, and this is one of the most important elements that comes in this play to earn game, comes with this NFT, where the earning chicks token, which has governance rights through the weekly leadership and MMR ranking and breeding of the SolChicks and selling them in the marketplace, will give you an opportunity to earn even more. With the earning SolChicks are their in-game currency, where that can be used for various purposes in the game to improve return on time for the players. And this particular point is very interesting, and I want to elaborate on it because you have so many play to earn games which are available in the market, and with these games you have an opportunity to spend time, but you do not get a return on the time that you've spent in playing that game. But with this particular SolChick play to earn game, the time that you spend playing this game and getting that skill up to the mark, and the more time you spend, the more return you get. So you're earning, so your time is actually being rewarded, and the in-game earning rewards are absolutely brilliant with the NFT items, with the shreds of love, which can be traded on real world exchanges. And that is another method that they have implemented that can help you even earn more. And they have a select core team members, a trusted team, a credentialed team with experience from leading blue chip organizations. And they have more than 100 team members from the management with William, Lewis, and Jessica. And obviously you have them on LinkedIn, you have them on Instagram, you can message them and you can see who these individuals are. With the game development with David, John, and Ben, these individuals are people that have actually developed multiple games, are names that have been affiliated with leading institutions, with leading NFTs, with leading play to earn games. And obviously when you have individuals like this who you can search on Google and check out for yourself that these guys are the real deal. And the marketing and the social media and the web and graphics and the PR and the community and the partnership and the human resources, these are individuals that have a strategy. These are individuals that have developed successful strategies, have implemented those strategies, and have blown up a lot of different play to earn games. If you're thinking about investing your time in a NFT, this is that NFT that you should go for. Now I'm going to go through their roadmap, which is very important, the accomplished milestone up to date that they have. They have 2,500 NFTs which were initially launched and minted with NFT listing on 5 secondary marketplaces, with partnerships with loads of different platforms, with the launch of a revamped website and a second wave of NFT minting, and a launch of playable demo games with the release of the Chicks governance tokens. In March, April 2022, they will release the SolChick Alpha, with the first quarter with the Battle of the Soul Fox Challenge. In the second quarter, they will release the SolChick community in the second update, and the third update is going to be in the third quarter of 2022. This is one of the leading play to earn game, guys. And obviously if you haven't got that opportunity to get on board right now with a play to earn game that will give you the time and potential to actually give a productive return, this is the game you should go for. I'm not a financial advisor. I do a lot of reviews of NFTs and a lot of reviews of play to earn games, so I have an understanding what game is going to be interesting, what game is going to give you a good return on your time and efforts, and this game is something that will do that. You can subscribe by entering your email address. You can email them at info@solchicks.io. These are one of the leading institutions that you can check with, and these are one of the best play to earn games that you can come across. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icons and share these videos with your friends and with your family so more people can benefit from it. If there is any particular questions you have for me, that you can always drop me a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp is available in the About Us section of my channel, The Educational Network, or you can drop me a message in the comment section below, and I will definitely try to get back to you with an answer to the best of my knowledge. If there's any particular NFT or play to earn game you think I should do a review of, you can always let me know as well. I will put it on the list and do a review for it. Until my next video, stay tuned. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.